Yo, what's up guys? This is Chinggis42, another rolling tutorial. This might be one of the last rolling tutorials I actually make. I am thinking about trying to take the channel in a new direction, but whether or not I do that, who knows really. But this is how to flip roll, back strap, back roll, flip back. There's so many different ways of saying it. This is how to flip roll a joint, okay? There used to be this video on my channel a long time ago. It had like 100,000 views, and the video was called How to Flip Roll a Hash Joint, and there I was in the video flip rolling some hash, and I had to get rid of the video because my channel wasn't getting monetized, and I was wondering, oh, why aren't I getting monetized? It was obvious, you know, drugs are bad, okay?
Because drugs are bad, okay?
I've got some tobacco here, and I'm gonna flip roll some tobacco. If anyone's wondering how to flip roll, this is where you want to be, okay? So, first of all, you get a large Rizzler or a large rolling paper, and usually the sticky, I should have this here, sorry, the sticky would be facing me and further away from me, yeah, at the back, facing me. Whereas with a flip roll, I'm gonna flip the Rizzler over, and I'm gonna invert the fold, okay? If that makes sense. I'm gonna show you that again. There's a Rizzler, how I'd usually roll. I'm gonna turn the Rizzler over, and I'm gonna invert the fold, okay? So now the sticky is on the fold of the Rizzler closer to me, but it's not on top, it's underneath. So when I go like this, now the sticky is facing me, okay? I'm gonna put that Rizzler down. I'm gonna quickly roll a roach. I did actually at one point think about making a video how to roll different roaches, how to roll the top 5 different roaches. And I watched the videos online and I tried replicating them, and I couldn't do it. I could not do it. How to make a Superman roach, how to make a weed leaf roach. All mine just look the same. Get a roach in there, boom. Get something to fill the Rizzler with. Easy enough, you know, put in this Rizzler whatever you want to put in the Rizzler. There's no judgment here really, as long as you're not smoking crack. Because nobody likes smoking crack. Fill the Rizzler, okay? And to flip roll, keep in mind I've not done a practice attempt before doing this. I'm just going off my old skills. Back when I was a Ras Clark Jammy Dodger. You start rolling the joint, okay? You start rolling the joint as you would any other joint, yeah? You know how we do, okay? If you don't know, get to know. But here it is. You roll the joint, and as you bring the side of the Rizzler that's facing you down, going for the tuck, you know, where you tuck and then you roll. You keep going down. I'm going to try and hold it like this. You keep going down just before the tuck, and you've got to make sure that the sticky of the Rizzler is lined up straight. Okay, your joint can be conical, but it has to be conical or conical in a uniform fashion. Okay, because as you tuck the sticky bit, it all has to go under at the same time. So I'm lining it up there, I'm getting it nice and lined up. And just before I would tuck, I'm gonna go in for the lick. This is a very delicate situation. Make sure you get the bit on the roach. Okay. And then with that licked bit of the sticky, you gotta perform the tuck, and you've got to perform it perfectly, okay? And you don't have to wrap up the rest of the joint now. The sticky has been tucked underneath. There we go. The sticky has been tucked underneath. I'm gonna flip this over, and you can see now the sticky has been stuck under there. And the point of this is obviously so you can use less Rizzler, okay? If you're unsure about the tuck, if you think there's maybe bits of the sticky that you didn't lick, you can dab your finger and just gently kind of rub it on the bits that you think might be missing some sticky, like so. Okay? Now a good way to check this is like if I was to try and gently peel this back without actually trying to peel it back, if that makes sense, then I can get an idea of where the resistance is. I think it's looking okay, except at the top there, there's a bit not stuck. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it back round, look where the papers overlap, lick my finger a little bit, and just give that a bit of a rub, and hope that sinks through onto the sticky below. Now the only way to test if this has worked, well, there's many ways to test if it's worked, and there's many ways to get rid of this spare paper. But the only cool way is to burn it, okay? Because if you've done it wrong, you're gonna ruin the joint. But if you've done it right, and all your friends are watching, you're gonna look like an absolute beast. Just gonna tuck in the top of this tobacco, okay? Get that in there. Now then, this has to go right. If this doesn't go right, the video's over. And I'm gonna open the window because smoking inside is bad. Okay, here we are. Be careful with fire. Don't smoke drugs, kids. But if I've done this right, the spare Rizzler should just burn away. Boom. Boom, there we go. I've got a joint there, flip roll baby. Easy, no tears, no holes, no nothing. I have used the minimal amount of paper as possible to roll this doobie, okay? And that's how you flip roll. If you liked the video, then go and like the video, go and subscribe, and don't be surprised if future videos aren't like this one, okay? We've all got to keep moving and changing, and I don't always want to make rolling videos. They don't get monetized, and I don't even smoke that much anymore. I smoke a little bit, okay? But enjoy yourself, have a good day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.